This mushroom miso soup is a great way to make the most of fall produce and contains 4 different kinds of mushrooms. It's delicious, super easy to make and perfect for mushroom fans. Start by heating 1 liter of dashi over medium heat. I recommend using homemade dashi, and I have a recipe on my channel if you want to know how. If you want to save time, the dashi packets that you steep in hot water are the next best alternative. Once it's almost boiling, pour in 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce and reduce the heat to a simmer. Now let's add our mushrooms. I'm using 75 grams of thinly sliced shiitake mushrooms, a 100-gram bunch of enoki mushrooms, 100 grams of shimeji mushrooms, and 50 grams of nameko mushrooms. These are all common mushrooms in Japan, but of course you can substitute them for your favorite local edible mushrooms. Some ideas include maitake, oyster mushrooms, thinly sliced portobello mushrooms, or even button mushrooms. Let those simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on the size of your mushrooms and how you've cut them. The good thing about mushrooms is that they cook pretty fast, so they're perfect for whipping up a quick miso soup. Once the mushrooms are warmed through and cooked to your liking, turn off the heat and add 4 tablespoons of miso paste using the miso strainer. If you don't have one, a mesh spoon or ladle also works, and if you don't have those, then place your miso paste in a small bowl and loosen it with a few tablespoons of dashi before you add it to the rest of the soup. All of these tips ensure the miso is evenly dispersed into the soup without any lumps. I use awase miso, which is mixed miso. Pour it into serving bowls. And top with a sprinkle of green onions for a burst of freshness to balance out the earthiness. It's so good and one of my favorite kinds of miso soup. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked this video, and if you like the written version of this recipe, you can find it on my blog, the link is on the screen. And if you're interested in more soup videos, check out the soup playlist on the screen. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care.